South China Morning Post, 11th of November 2022, China sells radar systems that can find enemy satellites to friendly countries. China is offering friendly countries the chance to purchase a radar system that might counteract the benefits of Western satellites for a war reconnaissance. Pakistan and North Korea, China's two mad dogs, have been the two leading recipients of this technology. This week's China International Aviation and Aerospace exhibition in Zhuhai, Guangdong Province, featured the 10-meter tall SLC-18 active electronically scanned array radar. According to its developer, the state-owned China Electronics Technology Group Corporation, the radar can simultaneously detect, track, and forecast the paths of multiple low-orbiting satellites. The high-power low-frequency P-band radar, according to CETC, has a comprehensive search area and can operate continuously in all conditions. According to official media, CETC Deputy Manager Sun Rui said, "This radar offers very inexpensive ground-based monitoring of space targets to help friendly countries, giving situational awareness capabilities against low-orbiting satellites to balance the fighting stance. Armed forces must be able to track spy satellites as they move over a specific area since modern warfare increasingly relies on satellite surveillance. This allows ground forces to avoid discovery, engage in deceptive maneuvers, or even utilize countermeasures like jamming." According to Sun, this made the anti-satellite radar especially helpful for nations lacking adequate space monitoring capabilities. According to Sun, the United States is constructing constellations of low-orbit surveillance satellites made up of hundreds of satellites in various orbits. Thus the radar system must be able to detect, recognize, and respond to them quickly. He said that our space surveillance radar can detect satellites from a distance. Our space surveillance radar can identify and categorize satellites to generate a radar database that can enable other equipment to respond accordingly. The command center receives data from the satellites at the same time to aid in decision-making. With the proper geographic placement, a network of SLC-18 radars could keep track of all satellites passing over an area and predict the coming of others, giving ground controllers enough time to react. Sun said that the low-quality Chinese semiconductor chips used in the radar would not be impacted by the U.S.'s recent tightening of export controls on cutting-edge semiconductors and manufacturing technology to China. China has invested in creating anti-satellite capabilities because it views space as a strategic battlefield. It has space-based technologies to find and seize satellites in orbit and ground-based interceptor missiles.